Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with dry, itchy skin, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into expert tips and tricks that will help you say goodbye to that discomfort and get your skin glowing and hydrated. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what causes dry, itchy skin. It can stem from several factors, including weather changes, harsh soaps, allergies, and even certain medical conditions. Understanding the root cause is essential for effective treatment. Tip number 1. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, and berries into your diet. Staying hydrated from the inside out can make a big difference. Tip number 2. Choose the right moisturiser. Look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides. Avoid alcohol-based products, as they can further dry out your skin. Apply your moisturiser right after showering to lock in moisture. Next up is cleansing. Use a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Avoid hot showers, as they can exacerbate dryness. Stick to lukewarm water instead. Tip number 4. Exfoliation. Gently exfoliating once or twice a week can help remove dead skin cells and improve moisture absorption. Look for mild exfoliants or natural options like sugar or oatmeal scrubs. Don't forget about your environment. Using a humidifier in your home can add moisture to the air, especially in dry climates or during winter months. It's a simple yet effective way to combat dryness. Tip number 6. Be mindful of what you wear. Opt for soft, breathable fabrics like cotton and avoid rough materials like wool that can irritate your skin. Layering is key. Keep your skin covered and protected from harsh elements. And finally, if your dry, itchy skin persists despite trying these tips, it might be time to consult a dermatologist. They can provide personalized recommendations and check for any underlying conditions. That wraps up our tips on saying goodbye to dry, itchy skin. Remember, taking care of your skin is a journey, and it's all about finding what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more skincare tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you next time, and take care of that beautiful skin.